Are you tired of your content not doing what you want it to do? Like get clients? I get you. And today we're gonna go over a very simple strategy that I use all the time to know exactly what to post, why you're posting it, what the result you want it to be, and then how you can use this content to help you communicate and spread your message all over the interwebs. I'm Ari, I am your business and digital marketing coach, and today we are diving a little bit deeper into this magical world of content. When I say content, let's just pre-frame this, and this is basically you as the expert, you as the knowledge bringer, you as the source of the information that you want to divulge. So understanding that, I want you to go into your, as I like to call it, your bag of tricks from Felix the Cat, and start thinking, oh my gosh, I know so many things that can help people. This is how I've been helping my clients. These are questions people ask me all the time. Start thinking about things that are relatable, that not only make you feel like, you know, the superhero, but that it really relates to the problems, needs, and goals, visions, and aspirations of your ideal clients. So based upon that, knowing that really the only thing that matters is them, then that's where we start creating content. And if you're stuck, you can just go ahead, go to my link and grab my 90 days. It's called the Content Pro Marketing Guide, where you get 90 days of different kinds of posts done for you, ideas, all sorts of fun stuff, planning. I digress. Back to your content. So I want you to really come up with like the best and most like joyful things for you to talk about. Like what lights you up? What gives your clients, your potential clients, the best results? If you're a gut and hormone expert, well, let's talk about the foods to avoid, the myths, the things that happen as you get older as a woman, the different kinds of combinations of food plus exercise, the things you can do for breakfast, the movements, the type of cardio versus weightlifting versus supplements. There's so much for you to micro pull. And nowadays, content, as we know, it's got to be a little bit faster because people's attentions are being pulled in 1,000 different directions. I call it the adult ADD factor from social media. Thank you, Instagram and TikTok. What is that? What do I want to promote and sell this month? So if you understand that, then all the content, you basically work backwards. I like to reverse engineer things, or as you call it, work for my goals. So if you work from here, your goal, and you shoot it backwards, then guess what? The content all creates breadcrumbs for when you're in your sales moment, launch moment, because you don't always want to be selling. It's like value, 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 ask, ask. Value, 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 give, give, ask, 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 ask. Value, 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 ask, 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 ask. We need to have like waves, right? This is why I like to call business, the way I teach, it's a flow. So these are waves where we are giving, receiving. And you know that in this name of the game, sometimes the more you give and the more that you show up as this like wealth of information, the more you receive. What I also want you to consider is this is going to be a compound effect, meaning the content you do 2 or 3 months ago, people are seeing it for the first time. Then they're maybe seeing the second piece, then the third piece. People have to see you and consume your content, your emails, at least 17 to 20 times. This is how far from our traditional marketing, where it used to be like 7 to 10 exposures. That's massively changed. So what I want you to consider is that it is your time to be a consistent bringer of information, of help, of ways that you can support your clients through whatever transformation they are going through. If you're a financial planner and your clients have a mess in their finances, they're not doing their bookkeeping, they're not budgeting, then what are ways that you can help them so that ideally, cha-ching, your magical product, maybe it's like budgeting and organization of your money 2022 is the focus. Knowing this will help you feel at peace, feel more confident, feel connected to exactly the steps that you need to do in order to get the results that you want. But we have to start from the backwards. Now, here's a separate piece. You'll see in my Content Pro that I have different themes for the month. right? One of those might be growing leads or connection. Now, these two is where your funnel comes into place, because if you're just doing content for content versus content for purpose, and you don't have a way to streamline a viewer into a potential buyer, then we're just leaving people on this platform. What you want to do is pull people off the platform, and you'll see in the contents of the captions that I've written, like, go click on my link, click on the URL. And here is where you're going to be able to move a viewer into somebody that registers for your freebie, or somebody that registers for your webinar, or somebody that joins your 5-day challenge, or somebody that joins your Facebook group or WhatsApp group. Wherever you are either building community or moving people into your marketing ecosystem, you want to be cognizant that there's certain assets you want to have so that we have a strategic plan of what's called our customer journey. And I can talk more and more about this, but for that you get to watch my next video or go check out all the other videos that I've made before, and it's going to give you a better picture of this whole digital marketing landscape, and you as a content creator, but you as a business owner as well. So I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, share, like, and let me know if you have any other questions that I can support you with. Once again, see you. It's Ari, and let's make it a great day.